Coliseum. No bag check.
Today is the last tour.
Yeah.
I know the view.
You know what I realized? I'm going to tell Daddy. I think those things that...
Say good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
How was the pancake?
Good. But I'm going to put a little more silver right on this one.
Alright, we're waiting for this tour to start. This tour is bringing us to every... What is this tour doing?
The Coliseum.
This tour is bringing us to every place.
Vatican.
Yeah. I want the one that says bus.
Yeah.
It's crowded over here. I want to leave because I'm hot.
You want some water?
Yeah. It is hot. Make a little, like a little cup. The tour ended. We're looking in this souvenir shop. My dad wants a car. My feet hurt because the cobblestone. And honestly, I just want to go back to the hotel. I want to take a bath. I want to get ready for bed. And we technically leave tomorrow in the morning. And that ends the whole 3 countries, 5 places trip. Yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update. We're gonna get McDonald's, so I'll probably record how McDonald's is, and then that will be the end of this video.
Come on, Meg.
English.
Bag.
Harmony will happen. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, the other